Today we will build a simple shelf in the woodshop, so stay tuned. Welcome, glad that you're here today. My name is Andreas and I live in the middle of Sweden. Me and my family are on a journey to a more sustainable way of life, and you are invited to join us. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss a thing. Now back to the content of this video. The woodshop is coming along nicely and we need to build some storage shelves for some warm storage. I got no heat in the garage, so that's the only place where I can store stuff that cannot be stored in a freezing environment. I could store them in the main building, but that's not a good idea. The idea with the placement of these shelves is that it should be easily accessible and not in the way for the larger machines in the woodshop. I could have used the whole wall, but I'm leaving a space of about 80 centimeters or 3.5 feet in the corner. It's where I plan to have the dust collector. I'm mounting some 2x4s on the wall where the shelves will rest on. Then I mount the outer 2x4s on those with some temporary screws. This will make sense soon. Now we mount the outer legs for the shelves. I use pocket holes for the 2x4s that will connect the outer part of the frame with the one on the wall. Now, when we mount this, we know that everything is nice and square. I cut 2 shelves from 1 sheet of OSB. This will be good enough to start with. I use OSB because that's what I got on hand from building the interior of the woodshop. If you want to see when I did that, I will link it in the card and down in the description of this video. This is a very cheap and easy way to get a lot of storage. I will get my hands on some clear plastic containers with lids to have here, but for now I will put all the tools here while I continue with the rest of the woodshop. Have an amazing weekend and I'll see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag. And then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.